Hey guys, what is going on? In this tutorial, I'll be discussing how to design a clap on Ableton Live using Operator, which will result in an analog sounding clap. And it's different from an 808, different from a 909. It's more like a whatever clap, if that makes any sense. Let's name it an affix clap. Okay, it's gonna be kind of quirky. So the reason I picked Operator is because of how difficult it is to make an operator, and I thought it would be a good challenge, and just wanted to share that with you. So let's do it. I'm gonna drop an operator on my blank space here. Rename that clap. Well, culp is also cool, but yeah, I'm gonna stick to the original way of saying it, clap. Yeah. Let's double click on a space here and create a new MIDI clip. Write in some notes. On middle C is fine. On 2 and 4. And we have this. Okay. So that doesn't sound like a clap. The first thing I want to do is make... I'm not going to need any oscillators except for oscillator A. And I want to make this more percussive. So by bringing down the sustain to nothing, I'm left with just a decay. See? I'm going to tweak that to taste. Maybe 118. That's good. A longer release. Give it some breathing. Yeah. Next, we do not want a sine wave. Instead, we want a noise white. Turn it down. The next thing is we need some filtering. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we have something like a low pass 12 dB filter. No resonance. Bring the frequency down to 600-ish. Okay. Now we can bring it back up. Let's tweak the envelope of this filter, okay? I'm going to start by giving it a smoother attack. Maybe like 19. A decay, a shorter decay. 345. Now you can't hear any of this because the envelope amount is 0. So notice how when I bring it up, you're going to hear the shape of this envelope. See? Pretty nice. Let's give it a nice boost. Yeah. Now, if you click on it on this attack thing here, you get a different set of options, which is these blue things. I'm going to go ahead and just dial it in. That slope, that's going to shape the attack to something more abrupt. Let's do like 50%, 57 maybe, 58, 56. That's good. These, I'm okay with those. And yeah, that peak, I'm going to bring it down to like, I don't know, 60 something. Okay. We're already, if you noticed, clap territory. Kind of ish. LFO is the next thing. We're going to turn it on. We're going to select a sawtooth down. I kind of wanted that. I want a shape that goes like a triangle, like shoo, shoo, shoo. And I want it fast, so I'm going to bring that rate up to maximum, amount to maximum. Next, I would like to tweak the envelope of this LFO. Let's give it a very short, let's bring out the sustain. Percussive again. Let's bring down the decay to like very, very, very short so that you can hear this sawtooth thing happening. Check it out. Well, in order to hear it, first I would like to activate the filter here. Destination volume. And then loop that LFO. So loop. And bring that loop to like a very short amount. Again. Like very, very short. Like less than 1. Okay. And this, we could... This has like a tail. This end. We could give it a little bit of that. Guys, that's our clap. actually. Let's try this drive and see what it does. Shaper, soft, hard. Wow. Yeah, with that we can even make our envelope of the oscillator even shorter. Yeah. And by the way, this global thing here affects, like if you tweak the time, it'll may affect everything. So see what I'm saying about an analog sounding clap? Let's put it with the loop and see how it sounds. I'm going to tweak the timing. Okay, so here's the next thing. On the MIDI clip, I'm going to press Command 4 and get rid of the grid and maybe move these a little bit. So we have like a flam. Not so much. And that's it, guys. I just made a clap. I will admit this wouldn't be my first choice of clap, but maybe at some point you might want to use it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a good one.